This m usually is what we use to denote a slope, is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Sometimes you'll see it as delta y over delta x, where the little delta it's a Greek letter. It just means change. So the change in y, which is basically y2 minus y1, right, over the change in x, which is just x2 minus x1. If you're ever given a graph, just do rise over run. So there will be times when they will give you 2 points, right? They'll say, hey, we have a line here, and we have a point here whose coordinates are, I don't know, 4, 3. And we have a point over here whose coordinates are -2 and 5, -5. What is the slope between those 2 points? What is the slope of the line? Well, you're going to get these 2 points, and you're going to label them. One of them is going to be x1, y1, and the other is going to be x2, y2. Now, it is important that you have an x and a y on each one. It's not x1, x2. It's x1, y1. Okay? And if that's x1, y1, then this would have to be x2, y2. Okay? And so then all we really have to do is just plug it in here, and that's it. y2 right now is -5, so I'm just going to come here and put -5. Minus y1. y1 is 3, so I just put a 3. x2 is -2, so I just put here a -2. x1 is 4, so -4. -5 minus 3, that's -8. -2 minus 4, that's -6. Now a negative over a negative, that's going to become a positive. And I could actually simplify 8 over 6. They're both divisible by 2's, so this becomes 4 over 3. My slope is 4 over 3. Now you could also do this with rise over run. So we're just going to kind of like create a triangle out of this. It doesn't matter if you go like this or like that. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so this is your rise. And all you got to do for your rise is look at your y values and ask yourself, from -5 to 3, what's the difference? Well, if you know that from here to here, that's a distance of 5, and this is a distance of 3, well, 3 plus 5, that's 8. Okay, that's 8. We're going to look at the magnitude here. So again, this was 3, this was 5, but overall, this is 8. All right, so looking at this, the distance here is a 2. The distance here is a 4, right? From -2 to 4, the distance is of a 6. Okay, and so rise over run, right? Rise is 8, run is 6, and when you simplify it, you get the same thing. So again, you'll see that it doesn't matter which method you go about, you're going to get the same thing. It is important to know how to use the slope formula, because there'll be times when they'll just give you points instead of equations, and you still need to know what the slope is. Okay? That's it on that.